Here's a question about prepositions from W.A.E.C in 2013. The team was to leave Lagos-Accra at 4:15 a.m. on Tuesday. The options given were for, to, from, and by. Now, most people would choose B, and here's why. They see Accra as a destination, and it makes total sense because we've been taught that the word to indicates direction. But in English language, the logic of the verb dictates the preposition, not the destination. Now, if you choose from, you're saying that they are leaving from Accra, which contradicts the fact that they are already leaving Lagos. If you choose by, you're talking about the mode of transportation, not the destination. The correct answer here is for. For indicates the purpose or the target of the departure. You are leaving Lagos with the intention of reaching Accra. The word for bridges the gap between where you are and where you intend to be.